Good morning guys, in front of me is TCL 605 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. First of all, open the settings, then from main settings panel, select security. Where is that? So here it is, security and privacy. Now mark device unlock and choose face and fingerprint unlock. So as you can see, at first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code, password, whatever you prefer. I'll go with pattern. So just provide it, then re-enter just to confirm. And now manage notification content. Once it's done, you can add your fingerprint smoothly. So just tap on plus icon, and as you can see, fingerprint sensor is located on your power button. So just grab your phone as you usually do it and keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. So just lift your finger up, place it on the sensor till it is added. Tap on done, and from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.